Do all quilters have FOMO, or is it just me? Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John. I hope that you're having an amazing week. Mine has started out very strong, very positive, with lots of things going on. But just wanted to drop in, kind of give you an update. So when we talk about FOMO, what does that mean? FOMO is the fear of missing out. And Lord have mercy, none of us want to be missing out. We all want to be involved in what's going on and what the cool kids are doing. And so I have talked about it for a while. I've thought about it. I've experimented. And so I decided the other day to really drop into this world of paper piecing. I've really not done but the one project from Cole's, from Cole's Quilts, and I did his lesson and all that, and did get one paper pieced project done. And I decided, you know what, I really like the idea around paper piecing, but I really just haven't jumped into that world, and I would like to dive in a little bit deeper. So I discovered Carol Doak on YouTube, and what an expert she is in the field, right? And all the great things that she's brought to us. So I actually went out and bought this book from her. It's the 300 Paper Pieced Quilt Books by Carol Doak. I actually bought this on thrift books. So I don't know how many of you supported thrift books or looked at thrift books, but it's an online um, cheap way of getting books from used books, right? And so I actually got this 300 different paper piecing for like $14 or something. It actually did come with the CD. That's how old this is. And so it's got the CD. This book is like literally brand new. The really, really cool thing is in this book, it you print off the patterns on the CD, right? So I don't have to tear this book up and have to do it. And whoever had this book took good care of it. But look at all the variety and projects that I've gotten now at a really cheap cost. And so I started looking at those, looking at some of the directions, looking at the things that she offers. And again, she offers so many patterns. I mean, look at the pattern choices on here, and it's just goes on and on and on. I mean, just again, 300 patterns. And then I started looking at some of these thinking, maybe those are a little bit more than I want to do. So my plan is to one night a week focus on paper piecing, spend some time doing a project, getting it done. So what I ended up doing was also shopping on thrift books. I found this one called Easy Paper Piecing, and it is by Bonnie Browning. Now, I don't know how famous or big Bonnie is in the world of paper piecing, but I really like the simplicity of these patterns. And she has one in here for Christmas trees that I just really kind of fell in love with. And so that is the plan. I am actually going to do this Christmas tree pattern. And this is what the pattern looks like. And so I am going to focus on doing this pattern, and I'm going to do it as a table runner because these blocks I think finish out 6 by 6 inches. So they're not huge to begin with, but I think if I do a row facing right this way and flip and have a row facing this way and put some borders in that around it, I think it'll really be cool. And it gives me an opportunity to just do like 8 trees because I don't think I need to do that many. Number one, just to get some practice, just to have some fun with the paper piecing and that, but just getting things started. Plus, because they're 6 by 6, I can do all of this with scraps. So that is the plan. So I'm not sure where you are at in the world of paper piecing, but with my fear of missing out, and I watched Danelle and so many folks that are doing it, Brendan, who just did that gorgeous quilt that he's got hanging behind him was all paper pieced. And me, who just wants the perfect intersections in that, I'm getting so much better with my 1/4 inch seams and all that. But I know with the paper piecing, it's going to give me the exact precision that I want. And it just gives me an opportunity to do something different because Lord knows I need one more project. So hopefully on Tuesdays, I'll start posting activities and things around paper piecing that I'm doing. It'll be a recording. It is not going to be another live. 2 lives a week are just all I can handle right now. But I do want to keep posting and do want to keep sharing my adventures in the world of quilting. So, guys, thanks for dropping in, giving me just a few minutes of your time this evening to talk a little bit about what's coming up, what I've got going on. Hope that you have an amazing rest of your week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. If you're part of our memberships, that means so much to us, and we appreciate each and every one of you. And guys, I appreciate just having a little bit of time with you this evening. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.